All right, Hempz has a ton of different flavors, is like scents and flavors, I would like to say. So we have taken a look at the sweet pineapple and the honey melon. We've seen the juicy peach, and then we also seen the serene waters. So I can tell you what, the sweet pineapple and honey melon is fantastic. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got with the original. Now I'm curious because there is hemp seed oil and shea butter. So you're going to have that natural smell to it, and that's what's giving it the viscosity of this. And it's something you're going to apply generously all over your body. You're going to smooth it out because this is daily moisturizer for your whole entire body, and it's going to be 48 hours lasting. Let's go ahead and give it a smell test. Okay, so it has just like that basic hemp seed oil, shea butter. I don't even know how to explain it. Just very light, lotiony smell at the end of the day. And Hempz did it right, obviously, with this one. So if you don't want any smell that's going to be overpowering, maybe you're still going to wear something, or you just have that natural smell that you want and just like that original lotiony smell, this is going to be the way to go with regards to the Hempz products. So you definitely got to check them out.